Welcome back. Today we're looking at a brand new offering from our friends over at Nitecore, the Pocket 5. Big thanks to Nitecore for sending this over for review. The Pocket 5 is a magnetic power bank with a massive twist. Unlike almost every other magnetic charger on the market, this one isn't wireless. Instead, it features a built-in USB-C cable. It's as easy as snap, plug, charge. The problem with most magnetic batteries is that they are slow to charge and that they get hot. The Pocket 5 fixes both of those problems. Wireless charging is convenient, but it's incredibly inefficient. Nitecore saw that and said, what if we keep the magnetic convenience, but use a wire for actual power? Keep in mind, they have one of the most beautiful wireless MagSafe chargers with their NW5000 carbon fiber battery bank. Right out of the box, my first impressions, this thing is thin. At just 9mm, it's about the thickness of a standard phone case, allowing your devices to still slip into your pocket relatively easily even with the battery bank attached. It's made of a sleek aluminum alloy that feels premium and, more importantly, helps dissipate heat. It weighs in at 125 grams, so you barely notice it on the back of your phone. And because Nitecore doesn't do anything haphazardly, it has an IPX ingress protection rating against water, which means if you get caught in a downpour or drop this in a puddle, it's not going to end your day. Let's look at the math, because the difference is actually massive. On average, most high-end wireless MagSafe chargers top out at about 15 watts, and that's before the thermal throttling kicks in and drops that number to keep your phone from melting. The Pocket 5 puts out a maximum of 22.5 watts, and that is about 150% of the output of the standard wireless charger. You aren't just getting a cooler charge, you're getting a significantly faster one. As of the time of recording, you could add the Pocket 5 to your kit for $47.95, which includes free shipping, and as always, I'll include links to purchase in the description below. It's not just for your phone either. There's an additional USB-C port on the bottom, so you could use the built-in cable for your phone and the port for your wireless headphones or a second device. It also supports pass-through charging, so you could plug the Pocket 5 into the wall at night and it'll juice up both the battery bank and your phone simultaneously. So, who is this for? If you want a battery bank that stays permanently attached to your phone and you hate cables, this might feel like an extra step. But if you're a power user, outdoorsy type, or someone who wants fast charging without the bulk of a brick and a long cord, this is genius. It gives you the feel of a MagSafe battery, but the performance of a high-end wired charger. Plus, the charging cable does double duty as a loop to carry it by or quickly retrieve it if it's in your pocket or bag. All this brings us back to the ultimate question: would I buy Nitecore's Pocket 5 MagSafe battery bank again? Count on it. The Nitecore Pocket 5 is a specialized tool. It's rugged, it's incredibly thin, and it's honest about what it is. Not your ordinary MagSafe charger. And for me, that's exactly why I like it. I'll leave links in the description below if you want to check one out. Let me know in the comments, would you trade wireless convenience for faster, cooler wired charging? Big thanks again to Nitecore for sending this over for review, and thank you for watching.